So guys, today I'm making some stew today. This house we always cook. One thing that I make sure we don't lack in this house is stew. One thing I make sure we do not lack in this house is stew. There has to be stew every day in this house. Because with stew, you can eat anything. You can eat your boiled yam if you want. Sometimes you want to eat bread and stew with tea. Yes, is allowed. And when my children are eating beans, they always want stew on top of their beans, especially David. And they like stew in their jollof rice. They like to have stew when they are eating even fried rice. David likes to have stew when he's eating noodles. Likes to have stew when they eat, of course, okra and stew is their favorite soup. So I always make sure there's stew in my house. So there you go. Yeah. So just finished making a medium-sized pot of stew. This is 5-liter pot of stew. So it's a lot. It's a lot. And then I make jollof rice. Jollof rice, smoky jollof rice. As well, yesterday I was so strong. You know, after nursing a sick child, it's not easy. I couldn't cook. And because I'm off today, I said, you know what? Let me just cook. So I made this delicious and yummy jollof rice. And it's smoky jollof. Really smoky jollof rice. You know. Smoky jollof rice. Done and dusted. So you can have jollof rice with this yummy pot of stew that's just been made. With this yummy pot of stew that's ready and fresh looking. With all the guanguo, different kinds of protein embedded in it. Different kinds of protein embedded in it. Yeah, don't worry guys. I usually like to drain out the